My name is Jourdain Fletcher, playing from Mount Pleasant. Red stripe, my 90. Stand up for your stripe. Football means a lot to me because from minor age, growing up, I always want to be a professional footballer. I've been playing football from 10 years old. My inspiration for playing football is because my dad usually play football, always go training with him, and from there he always pushes me to play football. Football do a lot for my community because everyone there loves football and push and uplift the community. I went to Cornwall College. It is a great school. Football team there is also great. I also won the Doncaster Cup in 2016, and that was my best year of playing football. Play FIFA and sleep. The type of player I am is that I'm an attacker. I love to score goals. I'm not sure what I would be doing right now, trust me. But I know football, I'm gonna make it out of football. My name is Jourdain Fletcher, playing for Mount Pleasant Academy. Red stripe, my 90. Stand up for your stripe. One time.